My name is Ishfaq. With over 15 years of teaching experience, I have successfully guided countless students of all ages and proficiency levels. I hold an MA degree in education and an MPhil in linguistics that gives me a deep insight into language structure, grammar, phonetics, semantics, and communication skills. My academic background in linguistics helped me break down complex concepts into easy to understand lessons. My belief is every student is special and unique. I design lessons according to their needs and goals. Whether they want to learn Urdu from scratch, excel in academic success, improve grammar, sentence structure, and communication skills, master writing, reading, and comprehension, or gain confidence in speaking. My teaching style is friendly, interactive, and engaging, and activity based that keep my student motivated. I use real life examples, conversations, and practical exercises that solidify their understanding. My goal is to help my student become confident and fluent in Urdu through practical and effective methods. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, I'm here to guide you step by step on your academic success and language learning journey. Book a trial lesson with me and let's work together to achieve your academic success and language learning goals. I hope to helping you on your language journey to success. See you soon in the class.